Are you a homeowner or business owner in Ventura looking to make changes to your property? Perhaps you're planning a renovation, remodeling, or even a complete rebuild. Well, you're in luck because AAA Hauling offers specialized demolition services tailored perfectly for Ventura's dynamic business and residential scene. Our range of demolition services covers a variety of structures, including sheds, barns, garages, decks, fences, and more. We handle debris removal responsibly, sorting materials for recycling and donating usable items to local charities. Here's why you should choose us for your demolition needs. Firstly, we provide tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of every commercial and residential space in Ventura. Our experienced team assesses each project individually, planning and executing demolitions ranging from selective interior work to complete building teardowns. We work closely with you to ensure our services align perfectly with your project goals and timelines. Secondly, efficiency is at the core of our demolition projects. Equipped with the latest tools and techniques, our team ensures quick and effective demolition. We handle debris management swiftly, clearing the site promptly and safely, minimizing disruption to your business or daily life. Thirdly, sustainability is a priority for us. We're committed to eco-friendly practices, recycling construction materials whenever possible, and ensuring responsible disposal of non-recyclable materials. Our aim is to minimize the environmental impact of demolition activities, helping to preserve Ventura's beauty for future generations. Lastly, we pride ourselves on superior customer care. We understand that inviting a demolition team onto your property requires trust. That's why our team is friendly, professional, and dedicated to making your experience with us smooth and worry-free. From your first call to the completion of the job, we focus on understanding your needs and exceeding your expectations. Our transparent pricing ensures you know exactly what to expect, with no hidden costs. Whether you're planning a residential renovation or a commercial redevelopment, AAA Hauling is your trusted partner for demolition services in Ventura County. Contact us today to discuss your project.